Hello students, you are welcome in conic sections part 4. So we have to start ellipse today. Now what is ellipse? It is a set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points is constant. So this is the shape of ellipse. These are two fixed points. Corresponding to every fixed point, there will be a fixed line which is directrix. So it means there will be two directrices. So for this, and two foci, that is F1 and F2, two focus. So what is definition? If you take any one point P1 on this ellipse, so P1 F1 plus P1 F2, that will be constant everywhere. So it means value will be same. It means P1 P2 F1 plus P2 F2, that will be equal to the same constant value. So the sum of distances from two fixed point, that will be same, and that is, it is set of points. So there are many points on this, so it is set of points satisfying this condition. So this is ellipse. Now midpoint of F1 F2, F1 is first focus, F2 is second focus. Midpoint of F1 and F2, it is called center. And you have in your syllabus all ellipse where center is at origin only. So we will study the ellipse where center is at origin, and the line segment passing through F1 F2, this is called major axis. This is called major axis, and minor axis is a line passing through center and perpendicular to major axis. Because center is at origin, so the line perpendicular, it will be y-axis. So minor axis will be on y-axis, and length of major axis, so from this point to this point, so length of major axis, we can say this is, if this is A point and this is B point, so AB is length of major axis, and length of minor axis is this from this point to this point. So length of major axis is 2A always, length of minor axis will be 2B, and relationships between A and B, that can be done using this formula. So C square is equal to A square minus B square. And what is C? C is half of F1 F2. Half of F1 F2. It means the distance OF1 is equal to OF2 is equal to C. So it means focus is C0. First focus, second focus minus C0. This distance is same. So this is C and this is also C. So it is on positive side and it is on negative side. So you consider now what is eccentricity. Eccentricity of a ellipse, that is ratio of distance from center to one of the focus and to one of the vertex of the ellipse. This is ratio of, you can say, C and A. So eccentricity is C upon A. C is distance OF1, A is distance OA. So ratio of center to one of the focus is to one of the vertex. So OF1 upon OA, that is C upon A. So eccentricity will be calculated using C upon A. Now what are various equations? You'll have two types of ellipse. This is horizontal ellipse, when both foci, you can say, F1 and F2 is lying on x-axis, or major axis is on x-axis, minor axis is on y-axis. Then equation will be x square upon A square plus y square upon B square is equal to 1. So if this is the equation, horizontal ellipse, then center is at 0 0. Then first focus C0, second minus C0. Foci can combinedly write down plus minus C0. Directrices, the formula is x is equal to plus minus A upon E. Length of latus rectum, Lattice rectum is a line passing through the focus, any one of the focus touching the ellipse. So the formula here for calculation is 2b square upon a. Eccentricity is c upon a. Relation between a, b and c that we have done earlier. So c square is equal to a square minus b square. So value of a will be always greater than b. It is the greater value will decide which is a. So we have to select which is greater value. So in horizontal ellipse, greater value will be under x square, you can say. Second is vertical ellipse. This will be the shape of ellipse. First focus, this is second focus. Major axis is on y axis now. Equation will be of this type: y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Now this greater value will be under y square. This greater value will decide that this is vertical ellipse. Greater value is now under y square. Focus will be on y axis, so 0 foci, 0 plus minus c. Directrix is y is equal to plus minus a upon e. This is first directrix, this is second directrix. To every fixed point there will be one directrix, so two directrices. Length of lattice rectum 2b square upon a. Length of major axis 2a, length of minor axis 2b, and relation in ABC we have done. So this was ellipse. Now you start with the questions. It is first question. Find center, foci, vertices, length of major minor axis, eccentricity, directrices for this ellipse. You observe this equation and try to find out which type of ellipse it is, horizontal or vertical. It is the greater value will decide. Now 36 is greater than 16. Greater value is under x square. So that's why this is ellipse of the first kind, that is horizontal ellipse. And what is the standard equation for horizontal ellipse? This is the standard equation. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. You can compare these two equations. You compare and find out a square is 36, b square is 16. So a is 6 and b is 6. So rest of the data will be calculated on the basis of a and b. So a is 6, length of major axis is 2a, and that is 12 units. Length of minor axis is 2b, which is 8 units. So now vertices are the end points of major axis, you can say, plus minus a0. Vertices will be along x axis here, because it is horizontal. Put value of a, so vertices are plus minus c0. Then find out c using this relation. C square is equal to a square minus b square. So c will be under root 20 after simplification. So using c and a we can find eccentricity. Eccentricity is c upon a, put values. So it will be under root 5 upon under root 3 after simplification. Then foci, to first focus and second focus, that will be plus minus c0. Put value of c, plus minus root 20 0. So to focus, first plus root 20 0, second minus root 20 0. Directrices, the formula is x is equal to plus minus a upon e. Put values and simplify. So this is the directrices. X is equal to plus minus 18 upon root 5. Center is at 0 0. So I hope this question is clear to all of you. This was first question of exercise. Move on to 8th question. All questions in between that are of the similar type. You have to locate, you have to compare the given equation with the standard equation, find out AB and find out the remaining. It is 8th question. Equation of the ellipse is 16x square plus y square is equal to 16. This ellipse is not written in the standard form. So to write in the standard form, you have to divide both sides by 16, because constant term is 16. Dividing both sides by 16, equation is x square upon 1 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. You try to observe the greater value is under y square now. So it means this is a square. So y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to one type of equation. So this is vertical ellipse. You compare these two equations, find out AB. So a square is equal to 16, so value of a4, b1. We can find the length of major and minor axis using 2a and 2b. So this is length of major axis 2a, 8 units. Length of minor axis 2b, put value of b 1, so that's why it is 2 units. Now vertices are endpoints of major axis only. So 0 plus minus a. Vertical ellipse, so that's why vertices will be on y axis. Put value of a, so vertices are 0 plus minus 4. Then you find out c using this relation. So it is under root 15. Using c and a, find out eccentricity, c upon a. It will be under root 15 upon 4. This is eccentricity. Then find out directrices. This is the formula. You have to put the values only a and e plus minus a upon e. So y is equal to, after simplification by putting the values, plus minus 16 upon root 15. These are directrices. First directrix taking positive sign, second taking negative sign. Then find out foci, then it is to focus 0 plus minus c, put value of c 0 plus minus root 15. So I hope it is clear, and you try to solve the questions of this exercise up to 8. So this is homework for today. Thank you.